What's going on, Smart Rapper Gang? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 10 times the Spotify playlist ads, getting people to add your song to their playlist, which massively pushes you inside of the Spotify algorithm to get seen by way more people, because Spotify starts showing you organically to people who they think will like your music. It's pretty interesting. I'm going to show you how to do. And this video was actually extracted straight from my YouTube ads masterclass, where I show you how to get 5 to 10 views for every penny you spend. Real views. You just have to know how to do it. I do it already. Every one of my songs gets 1 million views for a reason, and it doesn't cost me that much, and I just consistently grow my fan base on autopilot. I have the proof, and I have a lot of testimonials of other people showing that there's proof too, hundreds of thousands of views on all their songs because of the masterclass. Either way, there's going to be a link in the top comment as well as in the description. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Let's go ahead and show you how to get 10 times the Spotify playlist ads. You about to get smarter. Now let's talk about a really cool trick. When you're inside of devices, if you want to target people that are only bored, or you know that they're not busy, so that they have the highest chance of actually having the time to pay attention to your music ad and like your music, having the chance to actually have the time to listen, have the time to research you, to become a super fan, all of these different things that are in this big bundle of benefits for you. Here's what you need to do. When you're under devices, when you're running YouTube ads, you're gonna scroll down where it says all networks, okay? Ignore all these other ones. What you wanna click as the network is Wi-Fi, and click done, okay? Let me make sure you guys can actually see that. Yeah, Wi-Fi. Get that out the way, then you click the done button. Now, why does this work? You're like, wait a minute, why, Rob, why does that work? Because if somebody's on Wi-Fi with their phone, what's that mean? It means they're at a location that they trust. What do you think that's going to be? If they're on the Wi-Fi with their phone, they're probably at home, or they're at a Starbucks, or they're at a friend's house. And when they're on the Wi-Fi, what are they doing? They're just hanging out. Now, if you, and another way, they may not be on Wi-Fi. If they're at work, they're probably not on Wi-Fi. I mean, I've never had a job where they let me on Wi-Fi at work. Okay, the computer is on Wi-Fi, but I'm not allowed to get on the Wi-Fi because I'm supposed to be working, right? Depends on your job, right? Had over 30 jobs, and none of those jobs was I able to do that, okay? Now, in addition to that, if you're driving, you're not on Wi-Fi. If you're busy out and about, you're not on Wi-Fi. If you're on the toilet at work, you're on your phone, your ad could play to that person. They don't have time to check you out. That costs you money, costs you the impression, costs you the potential fan, because they're not on Wi-Fi. They're on mobile. They're on their network. If the person is just looking at their phone, going to some videos on YouTube real quick, then your ad runs to them, waste of money. They're not on Wi-Fi. They're out and about. They don't have time to research you. When they're home, they're bored. They have nothing else to do, or they're looking for entertainment. They're looking for YouTube videos to watch. You then pop up and like, I'm bored. I'm interested. What is this? Only and all because you clicked Wi-Fi.
Lord Jesus.
Is that not super interesting? Simply by clicking this, you apply this to the Spotify targeting method that I've showed you in this masterclass, and you do this also for the Apple one. In general, actually, not even if you're not targeting, turn on the network to be Wi-Fi. So freaking, that took me forever to even realize that existed. It almost seemed like when I realized that, I was like, was this always here? Because it's freaking genius. It is such a big change, big game changer. So make sure you're using it. Let's keep going. All right, now that was a free video from my YouTube ads masterclass. It also comes with Spotify masterclass. Teach you how to do everything at once. You grow YouTube and Spotify at the same time. And that's what I show you how to do. Link is below for that. And if you don't want it, you just want to see a little bit more information, free cheat sheet below. I'm gonna give you 2 cheat sheets, the YouTube cheat sheet, and I'm gonna give you the 22 Spotify hacks cheat sheet. Okay, they're both yours. Just tell me where to send them. Link is below. Or go to musicindustryshortcut.com/hookup. All right, because I'm gonna hook you up. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Hit me with a subscribe. Hit me with a like. I hope this helps you out. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.